For most of the year, the birds, even the gaudy males, vanish into the canopy. But during the breeding season they descend, bringing colour from the canopy to the forest floor. Here they have an arena, a stage known as a lekking ground, carefully cleared of vegetation, debris that might steal their thunder. These birds want to be seen. And they gather in bachelor parties. And boys will be boys. Half the display is just them challenging and showing off to each other. But it's enough to sort the men from the boys and to attract the interests of females. Then the dominant males take to the stage to perform. Like well-oiled meatheads at a bodybuilding contest, they puff themselves up to show off their finery. With most birds that lek, the males are more colourful than females, but it puts them at greater risk.